Hi there, how are you all? I hope you all are fine and well. In this video, I'm going to introduce myself to all of you guys because you are watching my videos, that's why I think you should know who I am. So, who I am? I'm Zain Ahmad and I'm basically from Pakistan. The main thing is that what I'm doing, I have been working on eBay since 2015, so I have almost 5 years of experience with eBay seller accounts. And this is why I made this channel to guide all of you guys free of cost. Generally, I am making videos about eBay on my YouTube channel, but I am also focusing on other online business models or informative things. My upcoming videos will be creating awareness for those who have physical shops or are currently connected with wholesale suppliers, or you don't have any shop and not even connected with any supplier and you don't know where to start. If you want to know that, then please stay connected with our YouTube channel. I will not say that anyone can get success in this business, but I'm sure if you will do some hard work, then you will never get disappointed. Standard YouTube channel subscription doesn't have any fee, so you don't have to pay any single penny to subscribe 𝐂𝐡𝐚𝐧𝐴𝐶 with Fun YouTube channel. You can easily subscribe and get notified in the future to get latest uploads from our channel. So, if you still didn't subscribe to our YouTube channel, then please subscribe and press the bell icon to get latest uploads from our channel. We will meet soon in the next video. Till take care of yourself and your family. 𝐿 حافظ.